Alright, this is a quick demo of Tekon, of some quick updates I did. So Tekon will allow us to use CLI and add more stuff, more interesting stuff in pipeline, or at least using CLI. So you can list the pipeline. You gotta specify namespace, so you can see the pipeline name when it got created, the last run, so the last pipeline run related to this one, when it started. You may want to put one when it got created, how much time it did, and if it succeeded or not. So now we can do the same for pipeline run, and all of these are related to this pipeline. And we see that the last run was this one because it was created 3 days ago and it succeeded. We can also now list the task without the last run, because those are meant to be really more reusable than the pipeline, so it didn't really make sense to show the last run, as for example OpenShift CLI rollout is used at least 3 times in this pipeline, so it didn't make sense for me. And we can run we can do taskrun lists. Alright, so one new command too is the logs command, and we can run the logs command on I don't know, this taskrun. So we'll see the prefix is the container name, but so it's meant to be the steps. Maybe we want to filter those out depending on the level we want. This is something to discuss later on, like showing the internal containers or not. And we can also want to see a failing task. So if I'm looking at this one that failed, we can see that it failed at some point, and those are the reasons, but this is the actual final log. Alright, so we can show logs for taskrun, but the idea is to do the same for pipeline run. And so for pipeline runs, I can display the same. So let's go for example the last one that succeeded, and this time it's gonna prefix. It's gonna add one more prefix, which is name of the taskrun. So you have name of the taskrun, name of the steps, and the actual content, and everything succeeded. But of course it can fail, and when it failed, you have multiple cases, but you will see some red entry here and there, which means it failed because of course it was not authorized for this one. And you can also see those ones which are this time not the full name of the taskrun, but just the resolve name from the pipeline run and the task and the name of the task. And those are because the build failed, so the graph stopped executing. So some of our defined tasks weren't ever created for this pipeline run, so we are not showing them. And that's all for now.